On 13th July 2014, amidst the arid expanse of Brazil, a little boy from Rosario etched his name into the annals of football history. In a sport defined by giants, Lionel Messi, an enigmatic genius, was about to embark on a journey that would leave millions breathless. But what happened next shocked the world. Messi, who had already conquered the hearts of fans across the globe, was about to face a colossal test, one that would define not only his career but also the destiny of an entire nation. The stage was set for the 2014 FIFA World Cup final, a culmination of dreams, sacrifice, and unyielding determination. Lionel Messi was born on 24 June 1987 in Rosario, Argentina, a city where football was not just a game but a matter of life and death. From a young age, Messi showed a rare talent, dribbling a ball with an effortless grace that left observers in awe. But Messi's journey wasn't paved with gold. He faced immense challenges. Diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency at the tender age of 11, doctors warned that without treatment, he might never become the player he aspired to be. His family made immense sacrifices, moving to Spain, where Messi joined FC Barcelona's famed La Masia Academy. Here, in this crucible of talent, he flourished. By 2004, at just 17 years old, Messi made his first team debut, captivating fans with his blistering pace and uncanny vision. As each goal erupted in ecstatic cheers, whispers of a prodigious talent echoed throughout Europe. But along this meteoric rise, Messi endured his share of struggles. In international competitions, he faced relentless scrutiny. Major tournaments became a crucible for his talent under pressure. The 2014 World Cup became symbolic of Messi's trials. Argentina had not tasted victory since 1986, the year Diego Maradona immortalized the nation's footballing legacy. The burden weighed on Messi like a leaden coat as he stepped onto the pitch in Brazil. The world awaited. With his team faltering in previous finals, many doubted if the young superstar could bear the weight of expectations. But Messi silenced his critics in the group stage, exploding into form with 4 goals against Iran, Nigeria, and Bosnia. Fans erupted, rallying behind him, igniting the passion of a nation struggling to believe in triumph. But the path was fraught with peril. In the round of 16 against Switzerland, the match seemed destined for penalties until, in the dying moments, Messi conjured magic, weaving through defenders and setting up Angel Di Maria for a dramatic late goal. What people witnessed that day was not just skill, it was Messi's heart laid bare on the field. Argentina progressed to the semi-finals against the Netherlands. After a tense match defined by strategy and stalemate, it culminated in a shootout. As the pressure mounted, Messi's brilliant performance in the tournament culminated in a breathtaking save by Sergio Romero that sent Argentina to the final. The stage was set, the historical Maracana Stadium, where legends are born. On that fateful day in July, the clash against Germany gripped the world in an unyielding embrace of anticipation. As the match unfolded, Messi attempted to make history, leading his team with grace and determination. But the minutes passed, and the weight of the match began to take its toll. In the 113th minute, disaster struck. Mario Götze received a deft pass and unleashed a shot that sailed past Argentine goalkeeper Sergio Romero, sealing Argentina's fate. Messi's dreams crumbled in an instant, his face etched with disbelief and sorrow. Why is it always like this? Many wondered. For Messi, the loss felt personal, his legacy hanging in the balance, his nation's hopes dashed once again. Yet even in defeat, the world saw a side of Messi that transcended football: resilience. Though he did not lift the trophy, Messi demonstrated to millions that greatness lies not just in the accolades but in the journey itself. His struggles and triumphs captivated the globe, inspiring not just aspiring athletes but every person who has faced insurmountable odds. Few know the extent of his hardships off the pitch, the battles with expectations, the relentless pursuit of perfection. Today, as we reflect on the fervent days of 2014, Messi's World Cup endeavors become symbolic of the human experience. Football, like life, is not just about wins, it's about moments. Messi's epic saga at the World Cup is one of perseverance, the realization that true legacy is forged not in trophies alone, but in the collective journey echoed through generations. The faces of Argentina celebrated Messi not just as a football player, but as their own, a symbol of hope, and a reminder that even amidst heartbreak, the embers of resilience can ignite again. As fans filled the streets celebrating every goal, Messi transcended the game. To date, he stands as a global icon whose contribution to football can't solely be measured in statistics. His journey to the 2014 World Cup remains etched in the hearts of millions. But nobody knew the struggles he would face after that defeat, how it would shape his desire, and ultimately his redemption, in future tournaments. In the years that followed, Messi would rise once more, each match a testament to his unwavering spirit. Victory and solace awaited him, shining as bright as the sun over Rosario. Lionel Messi's World Cup journey reminds us all, even within the throes of defeat, greatness persists, a powerful narrative of one man's odyssey and the power of resilience, destined to inspire generations to come. In the years that followed, Messi would rise once more, each match a testament to his unwavering spirit. Victory and solace awaited him, shining as bright as the sun over Rosario. Lionel Messi's World Cup journey reminds us all, even within the throes of defeat, greatness persists, a powerful narrative of one man's odyssey and the power of resilience, destined to inspire generations to come. Yet, despite his remarkable ability to bounce back, the scars of that 2014 defeat lingered in both Messi's heart and the hearts of millions who cherished him. They felt the heaviness of expectation, each qualifier and friendly match, a grim reminder of the glory for which they still longed. Messi, despite his prodigious talent, was haunted